Hi, today I want to take a look at how to use the GeoGebra software to solve for a linear programming problem. So we want to maximize p equal to 7x1 plus 6x2 subject to the following constraints. So I went ahead and I already typed the constraints into my GeoGebra input bar. So I have 3x plus y less than or equal to 21. So this inequality is going to give me this region here. Just use x and y instead of x1 and x2. That will make your life easier in GeoGebra. Then I have x plus y less than or equal to 10, x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, and then of course the x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. And so what I'm interested in is where these regions overlap. And if that's a bounded region, I know that I will be able to find a maximum value, and I'm trying to maximize. So let's go ahead and GeoGebra labeled those lines as A, B, C, D, and E. So let's go ahead and intersect those. A intersect B, intersect C, intersect D, intersect E, and you will see that it will actually give you this region here. So now we're going to take a look and we're going to try to find the intersection of all those lines. So remember when you were solving for GeoGebra, when you were solving for a linear programming problem, you would always go ahead and type in your constraint, and then you would take a look at those straight lines. So instead of writing the inequality 3x plus y less than or equal to 21, you're going to say 3x plus y equal to 21, and the same for the other equations. So we get all those straight lines. There we are. And now we're going to intersect those straight lines because I want to know what those corner points are. The fundamental theorem of linear programming tells me that the maximum value will occur at one of those points there. So I'm going to intersect those straight lines, and then I get the point BC. Okay, we don't have to worry about that intersection or that one. Okay, F or G, so that I'm interested in, and so I'm only interested in the bottom one here, and that was equation 1 and my y value. So that is going to be those two. So now I have all those corner points. And so now I just want to plug those in. So I'm going to go ahead and say, for example, f of g. Let's see what that gives me, 36. F of b, what does that give me? 60. F of h, 49. F of the point f gives me 0 over here. And basically, the highest point, the maximum value then will be 60 at the point B. Let's take a look. What was B again? My x was 6 and my y was 3. And that will maximize that function, and it will give you 60 out. Okay, thank you.